Hi guys, it's Sandy here and today I have a very exciting video. So since I heard about the Sailor Moon and Colourpop collection, I knew instantly like I needed to have that in my life. I did purchase this palette for 670 Rand, I believe, and this is from a store called Shop Betty Online. And look! It matches my t-shirt. This is a 12 pan eyeshadow palette and it's super tiny and cute. So let's get into the swatches and close-ups of the palette and then I'll carry on and do a look with it. First, I'm just going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. I don't really know what I have planned for this look, but let's just hope for the best, as with every single video that I do. So first up, I'm going to use Miracle Romance. And we're packing that onto the crease area gently. I do feel like these colors are super fun for summer. Nothing too out of the ordinary with this purple color. There's a lot of fallout when you pick up the shade, like a lot. But nothing when I apply it. Now I'm going in with Tuxedo Rose. I absolutely love the names of these shades. It's just so cute. I'm happy with the way they did this whole collab. I think they did Sailor Moon justice for the 20th anniversary. Whoa! And we're just gonna blend that above this purple. Oh, it blends really nice. And there's this gorgeous little shimmer. Because it's a slight shimmer matte. Oh, I love that. But the fallout in the pan is off a catastrophic scale. Okay, now I'm just cleaning my brush. And I'm going to use this yellow shimmery shade called Justice. And you can see all the fallout over here. And I promise you, I'm picking it up very softly. And we're just blending that above where I put that orange. this palette was made for the Sailor Moon fans, because I mean it was for the anniversary, and I think if you're a fan you'd be happy with this palette. If you're not a Sailor Moon fan, then I'm sure you wouldn't even consider buying this palette. But like, to every single Sailor Moon fan out there, I'm sure we were all like, no, we need this in our life. It's a need, not a want. Like, regardless of what colors they put in here, to be honest, I just wanted it because it was Colourpop and it was Sailor Moon. I don't know if you can see, but there's just like this gorgeous shimmer going on, because that orange and that yellow have that matte shimmer, and it's just so cute. It's very subtle. Next I'm taking Love. That reminds me of Love from the Netflix series You, to be honest. I really want a season 3 of that series. And I'm like, I'm gonna put that in the corner. Yeah, it's kind of doing something. And now we're cutting the crease with the same Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. Please pray for me. Not gonna mess this up. Not gonna mess this up. Now I'm just going to put Luna on top of that primer. Woo! It's so pretty. It's magical. It's magical purple. That's the color. It's not like a normal shimmer. It's not a flat shimmer, if I could call it. Like, these reflexes in it. I really love the shimmers in this palette, hey? Like, to me, the shimmers in this palette remind me of the Morphe shimmers, specifically in the Icy Fantasy palette. Those were very light, sulky, and had these really cool reflexes in. If you see me using the same brush the whole time, you just know I have a color switch, so I can easily just switch between colors. I'm just going to blend out the edge. I think I'm going to take some of this gold and just put it in the center of my eyelid, because I really want to use it. It looks so pretty. And can I just say, these colors are so soft. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. I'm just gonna go in with silver crystal on the inner corner and just like highlight my brow bone. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do my lashes and my lips, and I'll be back. I'm just going to be using these Bella Nemo Beauty eyelashes. If you do want to purchase them and support a small local South African business, I will put the link down below in the description. These are absolutely gorgeous. They are silk lashes and you can get up to 25 uses per pair. And this is the final look. I just put on this Essence Plumping lip gloss on in the shade So Heavy. And yeah, I'm honestly obsessed with the purple shimmer. I really don't have any complaints with this palette. It seems to be like a typical Colourpop formulation. The shimmers are super soft, so you need to be kind of careful when you work with them. Don't just shove your finger in the pans. The mattes, they're cute. They're a little bit powdery in the pans, but I think they apply just fine. No complaints really. Honestly, if you're buying the Sailor Moon palette, it's probably because you're an anime fan, or more specifically a Sailor Moon fan. But I do think this is a really nice summer palette as well. And you know what? This really reminds me of like Korean makeup, this color scheme. And I think you can do some simple looks, you know, with these light shades, and you could even just add a pop of color. I just happened to use all the pops of colors in one look. That was just me having fun with this palette. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!